What's the meaning of ALU? ALU. 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 ALU.
ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit, which is a digital circuit that performs arithmetic and logic operations on binary numbers. It is an essential component in the central processing unit, CPU, of a computer, and is responsible for performing mathematical calculations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as logical operations, such as AND, OR, and NOT. The ALU operates by receiving input from the CPU and generating an output based on the instructions it has been given. In summary, the ALU is a foundational component of computing that enables computers to perform complex operations with speed and accuracy.